It's time for Leaf Signature Edition Sports Icons, and we're going to find out who is going to get which last name letter in the rip right now in our 111 box break. So here we go, randomizing the first list 7 times, and we'll randomize the second list of letters 7 times. And stack the 2 lists up side by side. And that's how you'll get matched up with your letter. So here's the lucky number 7. And the first list is complete. All right, we're going to do the last name letters next. Seven times. Lucky number 7. All right, so that's what it looks like after both randoms are complete. And everybody has gotten their letter. And, of course, you can make any kind of a trade. Let's see what happens. The first item out of our 2-box break is going to be, who is it? What is it? Coming out of here. That's got to be a Eno Slaughter autograph. It sure is. That's exactly who it is for letter S owner. It's got to be. Yeah, Eno Slaughter. Oh, I didn't know he passed away. Nice Hall of Fame, 23 of 36. Letter S owner, you've hit Jared T. You've hit this autograph right here of a legend of the game for the Cardinals, Eno Slaughter. Nice looking signature. And encapsulated. Congratulations. That's item number 1. Item number 2. Let's hit a big one. What's it going to be? Good luck, everybody, in the break. What is it? Who is it? George Connor, Football Hall of Famer. And this is really neat. Wow. Letter C owner, Chris L. has just hit Way to go, Chris. Nice George Connor. Legendary Pro Football Hall of Famer. That's right. It's a piece of history, no doubt about it. Chris L. and Jared T. Way to go. Congratulations in the break. Well, we've got some helmets that are coming up about to break, so good luck, everybody, in our helmet rips. We've got the 2-helmet random, and we've got the pick your team helmets, both really close right now. And here are links to both of these breaks in our case break section. Let me see, the 2-helmet is down to 11. Pick your team helmet, single helmet. Down to only a few teams left in there. 8 left in there. Elite football is very close. I'm going to get this accurate and elite. And that could break any second. Along with Garbage Pail Kids. Box break. One hit per box, and I hate the 80s. Garbage Pail Kids. There is one hit in the box. And Elite Football has 2 autographs inside of it. More sports icons is becoming available. I bet, Eric. I bet. You just never know, man. So good luck in the next icons available. That is a fun rip. Pretty exciting. Some big hits that could come out of icons. All right, let's do a helmet rip. Let's do it.